Okay, here we are with Sam Rasnick. Hi, Sam.
Hi.
So, Sam, what grade are you in?
Third.
You're in third grade. And how long have you been coming to the chiropractor for?
3 years.
About 3 years? Yeah. All right. And how often do you guys come down and see the chiropractor?
Once a month.
Once a month. All right. And I know your parents have told me that they originally came in because you and your brother and sister were getting ear infections and colds and stuff, and you guys do a lot better once you get adjusted. So let's talk about sports a little. What sports do you like the best?
Football, basketball, and baseball.
Awesome. Who's your favorite football team?
The Falcons.
Falcons. Who's your favorite baseball team?
The Mets.
The Mets. Awesome. And we're going to get you adjusted now. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. All right. Lay on your tummy for me, Sam. Okay, a little locked up here, Sam. Take a big breath. Blow it all the way out. Good, nice and easy in. Lots of bubbles. Good job. And here, take a big breath. And all the way out. Good. Okay, I'm gonna have you roll on your side facing me. Bottom leg straight, top leg tucked. This arm out and across. Good job. All right, take a big breath. And good. Go and roll on your other side. Just like that. So you like the Falcons, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, straight on your back. You like the Mets, but I heard your dad likes the Yankees.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What do you think of the Red Sox?
Mm-hmm.
You don't like them? Oh, okay, I like them. What about the Steelers? No? Okay. Just checking. Listen for some bubbles. Here we go. There we go. A little pull. All right, so you can be super